Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Kassi and I'm your host. And check this out. I have another really amazing giveaway for you guys. So with this one, I am going to be calling it the Mid-May giveaway. And I am continuing on with the flower theme for the most part, but I did want to give a nod to our recent blood flower moon with this mandala yarn, and I'll talk more about that in just a minute. So before I begin, I just want to make sure that you guys know that I would like it if you watch this video all the way to the end, please. And the reason is that if you don't watch it all the way to the end, then you're not going to know how to qualify to enter, all right? So it really, really means a lot to me if you watch this video to the end. I'm going to do my best to make sure that it is a quick video, so it shouldn't be that hard, all right, guys? And that's just because, you know, when you guys watch all the way to the end, it just helps me as a YouTuber. All right, so I'm going to tell you all about this stuff in this giveaway, starting with the yarn. Okay, like I mentioned before, let's go ahead and start with the mandala yarn. So I have two mandala yarns. I don't know if it's mandala or mandala, okay, but I was taught to pronounce it mandala. Okay, so I'm just going to go with that. These were purchased on lionbrand.com. They are Mandala Baby, and the name of this is Magic Moon. And it has all sorts of these beautiful different colors of purples and blue. It's so pretty. And you get 2 cakes of it, okay? Now, I can even say, now this is a weight 3 yarn, but I can even say that these make really beautiful baby blankets, and they also make really beautiful shawls. And you don't need a whole lot to make one. So each one of these has 590 yards or 540 meters. And they're both 5.3 ounces, 150 grams. So we have 2 cakes of mandala yarn, however you prefer to pronounce it. We've got it. All right. Sticking with Lion Brand, I also have 2 skeins of this Summer Nights. For some reason, the bands on these are bigger than the skeins are, though, and I'm not certain why. I think that they just, maybe it just was, I mean, it came that way new, okay? It came that way new from them, okay? But they are both 3.5 ounces, okay? And they have, I mean, this one was 3.5 ounces and this one's a 3.5 ounces. They both have 437 yards, so you get about 870 yards with these. And it is a super fine weight 1, and this is in the color Tropical Punch. And I really like these colors. They're all whites and pinks and oranges, and it really goes well together. And if you look up patterns for the Summer Nights yarn, you will be able to find some really great patterns for them, okay? And Summer Nights is going to be going, they're going to be discontinuing this soon, so it's good to get a couple of balls before they leave the shop. Okay, I wanted to go ahead and also include the Premier Wool-Free Sock Stripes. This colorway is called oh no, what's it called? Rainforest. That's a great name for this, actually. So yeah, so it's got all sorts of different greens, but it also has some browns. Each one is 253 yards, or 215 meters. It's 93% acrylic, and 7% PBT. Right, and it comes with a pattern on the back of this, so that's good to know. I didn't tell you what the mandala yarn was. The mandala yarn is 100% acrylic, and the Summer Nights yarn is 82% acrylic and 18% polyester. And if you notice, it has, I don't know if you can see it really well, but it does have some sparkles in it. All right. Okay, moving on, we have some Knit Crate yarn. We have Vitellana Delight Sock, and this is in the colorway Walking Dead, so it was probably part of a Halloween theme, but what you end up getting is this beautiful yarn that has all sorts of different colors of spring greens in it, and I just love that, and I thought that it would look really good in this May giveaway. So I caked up one of them. This is the same as this, okay? It's just caked up. And I can cake up this one for you if you want me to, okay? So, and I mean to say those in all of my giveaways, so if you ever want me to cake up a hank for you, I will do that, okay? So just know that. So what this is 80% superwash wool, 20% nylon. It's a fingering weight, 420 yards in each one of these. I'm sorry, 402 yards in each one of those. That's 366 meters. Machine wash, delicate, dry, flat. And it recommends hook size B through E. So it doesn't really give you, well, it says it's fingering weight, so. All right, so we have 2 of those. And last, I have a Hobie yarn cake. It's a beautiful one that starts as white, goes out into all the different colors of pink, and goes out into this purple. I absolutely adore this yarn. It is so stunning. And one of these has 194 yards in it. Okay? I mean, it really gives a lot. And I can't explain how amazing it is. It's just really, really good. It has this easy start pull tab with it. This came in one of the Hobie mystery cake bags, or lucky bags. That's what they call them. And the only thing, quote unquote, wrong with it is that it doesn't come with a band, but it is a Cotton King Sultan Deluxe. All right. Okay. So I will now start with all of these different kinds of notions here. So I have included a notions pouch. This came from Darn Good Yarn. So it's got these crochet stitches on, at least that's what I think they are, on the front. And then it has the Darn Good Yarn Start at Love on the back. Okay, so I also have, in here, there's 25 stitch markers. There's 2 like metallic needles, okay, yarn needles, and then there's 1 plastic yarn needle, okay? And someone suggested that I put them in something before I put them into the notions pouch, so that's why they're in this organza bag, okay, so that they can stay together and you won't have to search around for them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these back in this notions pouch. I also have this this is a row counter. What you do is you press the big button, okay, and at the end of your row, you just press it and it'll tell you it'll go up by 1, okay? And then to clear it, you push this smaller button and it'll go back to 0. I really like to have these around when I need to count my rows, and it's just a nice thing to have. It even has a little a band here that you can put around your finger, which is really nice. That way you can follow. You know, you can put it on your finger and follow along that way. I personally just like to lay it flat and have it with me, so that's part of that. I also have a measuring tape, okay, in this beautiful green color, and I picked green because of all the plant life that's going on right now, so we've got that. I also have a set of buttons from Hobie, and a Hobie candy. These are cherry flavored. Almost everybody I've ever seen unbox a Hobie like yarn haul or mystery box says that they love them. I personally did not like it when I tried mine, so I just saved these candies and I just put them in my giveaways if I have one. Okay, so I also got a full set of crochet hooks. Now this goes from size 2.5 to 6, okay? And 6 is a J hook, okay? So I just wanted to show you closer up how it has these beautiful flowers on them. They have a nice grip, all right, if you want to see that. And they are this kind of rose gold metal color. Maybe it's a better, I don't know, maybe it's more like a bronze type color maybe. Anyway, your whole set has the same pattern, flower pattern on it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and zip up this pouch and put it to the side here. So taking care of your hands is also important when you are someone who makes things with your hands. So I did include some hand cream. This is scented honey. It is made with essential oil. I'm not certain how they get essential oil out of honey, but this brand is hypoallergenic, so it's a good brand. All right. So I also included a sticker. It says, "I craft so hard, I sweat glitter." I got this one, oh, what was it from? It was from Darn Good Yarn as well. And speaking of Darn Good Yarns, we even have a notepad that you can use to keep track of just whatever you need to write down for your crafts, okay? All right, and in addition to this little notepad, because I know that I like to have a lot of notepads, I also included this field book. I've been including these in my giveaways because they're just so handy for taking notes for whatever project you're working on. And it has a little ruler here. I mean, I would suggest using the measuring tape and not this ruler, but anyway, it's a nice book. It's lined. It has enough paper to last you for a while. And in addition to that, I have run out of my glittery pens, but I have got some Alpaca pens, and we have this in blue, and I believe that this is either yellow. Yeah, this is yellow, and so I'm including those to go with your notepads. Additionally, I have the coloring books. I have one that is Tiffany Windows and Crazy Paisley. So this is going to provide a lot of fun coloring or relaxing coloring. You can always give this to somebody else if you don't like coloring, and you know, as with anything in this giveaway, of course. And it comes with a set of 24 watercolor pencils, which I absolutely love these pencils. They're great. And I am including a 1,000 piece puzzle. This was the only puzzle I could find that had some crafts in them. Okay, it is 1,000 pieces, so this is something that you might have to work a little bit harder on than the 500 ones I've been including, but I just really like this puzzle. It's got a little cat in it, I mean several cats in it, and it's got quilts and fabric and all sorts of stuff, and it says memories are stitched with love, which is just so true. At least for us crafters it is, right? And so anyway, I keep including this in the giveaway, and now that I have gotten all the rest of that stuff out, oh, it's connected to the tripod, so I can't exactly show it to you exactly, but we have another one of these beautiful canvas totes with flowers, and it's just wildflowers and some leaves on it, and I just thought that that was so pretty. And also we have this green tote. This is just a regular kind of like a grocery bag tote, reusable grocery bag tote, but I use those for my projects, and you know, so you will be getting both of them. Whoever wins will be getting both of them. So now that I have gone through everything that's in this giveaway, I'm going to go ahead and kind of pack this up so that you can look at all of this while I tell you the terms and conditions of this giveaway, and also tell you how to enter. So I am going to just put all of this great yarn back on here. And we are about to find out how to enter. This is gonna be so great. I love this giveaway. Okay. YouTube is not affiliated with this giveaway in any manner. This is my giveaway purchased with my money for subscribers to my channel, NicheCraft. This giveaway is open to residents of the US and Canada. To enter the giveaway, you must subscribe to NicheCraft, like this video, and leave a comment to this video. In your comment, I'd like you to answer this question. At what age did you learn how to crochet? And if you haven't learned yet, just say that you haven't learned yet, okay? I will choose a winner by random comment picker at 6 p.m. on June 1st, 2022. The winner must answer the question in their comment to qualify. So even though I'm going to be picking the comment by random, if I don't see an answer to that question, then I'm going to have to pick a new person to win, okay? If you win this giveaway, you must email me with a mailing address where you can accept mail within 10 days of the announcement of the winner. There's just one other thing that I want to add before I sign off here, and that is when I pick winners for these giveaways, I always post a video. I do not ever comment back to people for my giveaways with a "you won" sort of thing. I do know that there are bots out there that will try to steal people's information and all of that. It hasn't been a problem on this channel so far, but I did want to mention it because it can become a problem, and I just wanted to kind of let you guys know, yes, I do reply to comments sometimes, but I will not reply to comments saying that you have won. I will post a video, okay? That's how I tell you guys that you have won, okay? And that's why it's so important for you guys to subscribe and also turn on the notifications so that if you do win this giveaway, you'll get the notification, okay? So that said, good luck to everyone who enters, and have an absolutely beautiful day and enjoy.